Okay.
Well wishes. In the previous class, I got taught about certain yoga items, Sukhasana and Vajrasana, and certain other asanas also I got shown. Due to certain unfavorable situation, delay happened for third section. Now I am going to yoga's third session. Now I am going to start. Whatever may be, today I am starting from the beginning itself. First, I am going to start Sukhasana itself. I have in the previous class both first and second session. I have indicated the Sukhasana because I am repeating. Due to repetitions, we can understand these items clearly. For that purpose, I am repeating whatever I had taught in the previous two classes. I am going to start Sukhasana. I got indicated about the Sukhasanas, how to start Sukhasana and how to end, how to do Sukhasana in the left leg and the right leg. How on that times of breathing, how we want to do. These items I got informed in the previous two classes. Then also I am going to repeat once more. I am using Sukhasana by using left leg. This is left leg, then like that. Then we want to do pranayama, Brahmana pranayama. How Brahmana pranayama want to do? We slowly absorb air to our lungs, very slowly. Then double time using how much time we take for to absorb air to our lungs, that times double time using we want to omit the accepted air to out. When we absorb air from the air, on that time our chest want to increase and stomach want to decrease. When we absorb air, on that time chest want to chest want to increase, size of chest want to increase, size of stomach want to decrease. I am going to start my Brahmana pranayama. Once more I am saying Brahmana pranayama, breathing, how want to the yoga process, breathing, Brahmana pranayama, slowly we want to take air. How much time we will take to absorb air, on that times double time using we want to omit air from our lungs. Then also repeat this process so many times. And this is known as Brahmana pranayama. This Brahmana pranayama we can do by standing, when we are standing, walking, in the chair sitting time also we can do. Now I am this Brahmana pranayama I am doing changing my leg. Right leg near to my body, then left leg. Next, I am going to start Vajrasana. Vajrasana. This also, I think, so many asanas I got shown in the previous classes. Vajrasana. This is the way. Vajrasana. Then we want to do the breathing. The previously I have informed it like that. Slowly we want to absorb air from the from outside. Then how much time we take for the absorb the air? That times double time using we omit air from our lungs. When we absorb air on that time, slowly absorb air on that time, our chest size want to increase, stomach size want to decrease. Next I am going to do the Paschimottanasana. First I will show the using left leg and then right leg. This is Paschimottanasana. Next I am doing changing my leg, then also using a right leg I am doing Paschimottanasana. I showed both leg using Paschimottanasana, left leg using I did Paschimottanasana and right leg using Paschimottanasana I had shown. Next I am the previous class I didn't show the Padmasana. Padmasana we want to study slowly. Only this Padmasana we want to first step and second step through that way we want to study Padmasana. I am going to show Ardha Padmasana. right leg using Ardha Padmasana. I got shown the left leg using Ardha Padmasana. Next I am going to show right leg using Ardha Padmasana. We want so many days we want to do Ardha Padmasana, and then gradually we want to learn Padmasana, full Padmasana. Through so many times we want to, so many days we want to repeat Ardha Padmasana, left leg and right leg. Only then only gradually we want to learn Padmasana. Youngest easily they study the yoga items. They for study this yoga, young children, children or youngers, especially youngers, easily studies these yoga items. But aged persons take more time to study yogas. That is children's, the boys and girls, child time. They are they study fast they study. But aged persons will take more time to study yoga items. Yoga learning time, this Hada Yoga learning time. So many persons can't get yoga postures easily. So many days repeated trying repeatedly, so many days. Then only we can study, especially especially aged persons. Youngers also, certain youngers will take a time, but so many times we want to repeat the Ardha Padmasana. Then gradually you can study Purna Padmasana. I am going to show Purna Padmasana. Using left hand. Purna Padmasana using left hand. At first, left leg. Next I am using right leg Padmasana, Purna Padmasana. I am using right leg. At first right leg, then left leg, like that. I am second time Purna Padmasana doing. Next I am going to show Meri Dandasana. Merudandasana. First I will show left leg using Ardha Merudandasana. Then I will show right leg using Ardha Merudandasana. Then I will show both legs using Purna Merudandasana. Next I am showing Shavasana. Shavasana means carelessly lay. That is Shavasana. Shavasana. We do not give any care to our body parts. Carelessly want to lay. That is known as Shavasana. After the Shavasana, it is the today's class. It is the last item. Shavasana. Carelessly lay. I am doing Shavasana. Dear well-wishers, today I am going to stop this. This is the third session, Punyas. On behalf of Punya, the yoga teaching. This is the third session. I am going to stop. Next fourth session also, I will few days after the fourth session also, I will send on the YouTube. Thank you to all.